Your mom will hate these horrible drivers.
No! Holy crap, that was close! Holy...
That was too close.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
What did I do?
Shit!
Jesus, dude! Whole day would have been ruined!
Okay, you're in this lane.
What lane?
You want to keep it this lane right here.
Okay, I thought you weren't thinking about the bike.
Yeah, okay. Stop.
I got you.
Stop, Jackie!
She just doesn't know how to stop, I guess. Driving so slow for no reason.
You don't deserve their license. You don't just slap on your blinker and merge. Then they cut off another driver. Blinker does not equal to right-of-way.
This is crazy.
This 14-year-old driver causes a crazy wreck. Wait for this.
Yeah, me too, asshole. Don't do it. Shit! God, what a dick!
I swear, some of these people need to get their license revoked.
We're gonna do it. And they jump the fence. Oh, damn. No.
What was this stupid guy thinking?
No, I need to cut across 8 lane. None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Nice turn there.
Look, someone is not up. Whoa!
How could they do that? Call the police!
What way are you going? I almost died! I'm sitting here in the turn lane, and I'm literally talking to my mom. We stopped the conversation, and I thought, and then she just like appears out of nowhere.
This truck
And
pulled
cut me
up to give her more space, but there was not room for her. She's blocking this lane over here.
Yeah, she's literally blocking.
Can't say I haven't seen a couple people do the same thing.
There's a gas station on the right over here that she came out of, and I just thought she was coming into this outer
So she crossed 1, 2, 3 lanes.
to get into the left turn lane. Usually when you do that, you have to, one, you make sure you have clearance for all of it, and two, I just thought she was coming into this lane right here that she's
Yeah,
blocking.
because she's still blocking the left lane.
Yeah, and because her window's rolled down, she's literally just looking at me.
And she's just on her phone, chilling like a villain on her phone.
Chilling like a villain.
Whatever.
Vegas drivers. Gotta
I
like the
hate driving.
entitlement.
That is crazy.
Mike!
Hello.
Okay, let's go. Alright.
Might get back in the car.
Just want to get yourself something.
No, I don't.
Oh my god!
What the f happened there, bro? I got a dash cam. I got a dash cam. I got a dash
That was very clear what was happening there. Not today, Mike.
Mike! Micah! Micah!
When's it gonna be my turn? I've been here for forever. Maybe now? Oh, are you kidding me?
What is even going on here, dude?
Oh my gosh! Oh, you gotta be shitting me! I might as well just put it in park and set up camp for the night. I'm gonna be here forever. Oh! Oh my gosh! Please! Thank you! New signal ahead. I swear! I swear! Okay! Thank you!
Are they brake checking? What is with some of these drivers, man? It seems like some people are just out to kill.
What kind of cars do the worst drivers own?
Audi's Grand Wagoneer?
Definitely Audis.
I feel like I'm not qualified to make that answer.
Are you a good driver?
I am a good driver.
Okay, what do you drive?
I drive a Grand Wagoneer. Only recently purchased it. Prior to that, I had an Audi.
Okay.
People who do this and cut up in traffic need to be actually ran over, dude. Putting the lives of random innocent people at risk just for a couple random kids on Instagram Live to say you're cool for that, absolutely pathetic. Please do not even think about doing this on the road.
Right. And like I was in a meeting with admin, like other. What is going on with all four of us? But go now. You already went.
Always the big white vans thinking they have the right of way all the time.
Dude, I know you're absolutely kidding me. Whoa.
I feel you.